Hi guys, KP this side. Hope all of you are doing good. This is a quick summary of how markets are placed right now. So overall, if you see, guys, the sentiments are very bullish, and the markets are creating new highs. Some kind of consolidation is going on right now in Nifty as well as Dow Jones, but Nifty has still gone past its previous high in last few months, and it is looking very comfortable at this point of time. But there are certain things that we have to keep in mind. Like I have always told you that this is the time when you have to start figuring out what sectors have still not participated in this rally. Where is the valuation looking saturated now, and everything is looking expensive, so you got to book your profits in those sectors. Yesterday the data has come for Jolts is basically job openings and labor turnover survey. This data comes in US, and it shows that the job markets are heated up right now, which means the number of job openings are more than anticipated. Now when the number of job openings are more than anticipated, what happens is basically this is perceived as the overall job opportunities are too many in the industry, which means industry activity is on a high. If that is the case, it means the overall consumption and consumer spending is high. जब ऐसा होगा, then inflation coming in control starts appearing a little difficult. Okay, I have told you what theoretically happens. इसी का एक ओवर रिएक्शन कल मार्केट में आया, because now what investors or traders have started thinking is that if job openings are too many, it means industry activity level is still high. Inflation coming in control would become difficult. If that is the case, then the June rate cut, which is being anticipated in US, may get deferred. So there was an overreaction in the market. This small jolts data probably will not decide whether a rate cut is coming in June or not, but there was an overreaction because of which Dow Jones was down by around 400 points, Nasdaq was down by around 170 points, and now you see Gift Nifty is down by around 150 points. Abhi guys, the situation is, now if you look at Dow Jones, I think there is a good support for Dow Jones at around 38,800 levels. For Nasdaq, I think it will be somewhere between 16,000 15,900 on the downside. And similarly guys, you please try to understand one point. पिछले कुछ महीनों में there are only good things that are happening in the market, and you and me as a trader have a tendency to forget कि market में कभी कभी downside भी आएगा. We get used to the upside so much ना, because we get used to the positive things too early. जो हमारे लिए अच्छा है हम उसी को accept करना चाहते हैं. We start believing only in the things which are beneficial for us, and that is when my job is to come and try to make you understand that market में upside जो है वो permanent नहीं है. The upside in the market is not permanent, and every time you see a new rally coming in the market, it is only going to make the markets more and more vulnerable. Best example comes from Accenture results. The results for Accenture were not so good, guidance was not so good, and immediately you see Indian IT sector stocks started correcting for no reasons, because Accenture gave you a good understanding of how the IT sector results in India can also be. Maybe some of these companies can take you by a surprise, like my favorites being Coforge and Persistent, but at least the tone has been set, and tone is negative. The moment that happens, there will be an overreaction in the market. जैसे कल जोल्ट्स का डेटा आया, the data was not something that required so much of gravity or weightage, but still markets reacted very sharply to it. Similarly, Accenture का numbers आया, numbers were not so impressive. Immediately IT sector के stocks में एक जोर का fall आया. 1650 तक चला गया था इन्फी, अभी it is available at 1480. You never know, if the numbers are disappointing or the guidance is not still promising for Infosys, you never know, this stock can again show you 1250 odd levels. So market is basically going to react more to every negative news now and less to positive news now, because positive has already been factored in. Interest rates का कट आएगा, results probably अच्छे आएंगे, BJP elections जीत जाएगा with comprehensive number of seats. Almost all the good things have been considered into the markets right now, पर नेगेटिव को कंसिडर नहीं किया जा रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई एम टेलिंग यू गो स्लो राइट नाउ गाइज. इसलिए वीडियोस का फ्रीक्वेंसी भी कम कर दिया है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू कम एंड स्प्रेड नेगेटिविटी ऑल द टाइम, एंड सम ऑफ यू माइट नॉट इवन लाइक मी टॉकिंग अबाउट you getting cautious about your investments and all, because मैंने जैसे कहा ना वी हैव द टेंडेंसी टू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि नहीं अब तो मार्केट में सब चंगा ही होना है जी, यहाँ से कुछ ख़राब तो हो नहीं सकता है. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न माई जॉब इज़ टू कम एंड एडमॉनिश यू. कीप योर FNO पोजिशंस लिमिटेड. 1000 पॉइंट्स का फॉल अगर निफ्टी में आएगा ना, these stocks will be available at 20, 15, 20, 25% डिस्काउंट्स. आपको तब खरीद के एक क्विक रिटर्न्स बनाना है. एक कंटिन्यूस फॉल तो मार्केट में आना नहीं है. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट देयर विल बी sustainable levels of depression in the market. That is not going to happen, at least for next 6 months is what I can tell you with guarantee. But try to make use of these opportunities जहाँ पे if you feel something is fully priced, wait करिए. वो हर 4-5 दिन 10 दिन में some news will come because of which markets will show you some decent correction. 15-20% का correction stock में आया, then you jump onto the stock. And so sector specific रहिए, defense से थोड़ा दूर रहिए right now. रियल एस्टेट से थोड़ा दूर रहिए बिकॉज रियल एस्टेट में बहुत अपसाइड हो चुका है. सीमेंट सेक्टर की वैल्यूएशंस भी मेरे को अभी फुल्ली प्राइस्ड लग रहे हैं. ऑटो सेक्टर सीम्स टू बी फुल्ली प्राइस्ड राइट नाउ. आईटी में कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्रिएट होगा वंस इन्फोसिस नंबर्स कम आउट. उसके बाद आईटी में थोड़ा सा स्टॉक्स उठाने का कोशिश करिएगा. एंड सो इज़ विद केमिकल सेक्टर. केमिकल सेक्टर स्टॉक्स आर badly punished right now. Look for opportunities over there. So these are two of my primary picks in the markets right now. Apart from that, HDFC Bank has always been my favorite because its valuations में HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, they are gifts to you. But you don't want to buy because we generally have a tendency to go with the market. What market favors, we try to do that. But ये समय है जब आपको ये सारे अच्छे स्टॉक्स उठाने चाहिए. इसके अलावा थैंक्स फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी, थैंक्स फॉर ब्लेसिंग. आई विल ट्राई टू डू वीडियोज़ as much as possible guys, but honestly speaking I don't want to every day come and tell you be cautious, be cautious, be cautious. The moment I have something to share, something where I can add value to your 6-7 minutes, 8 minutes, that is when I come and make the videos. Okay, so I think quality matters more than the quantity. That is why I am coming less and speaking less right now. Okay, chalo. If you remember जब मार्केट 17,000 था, 16,000 था, that is when I used to make videos every now and then, because that is when you needed somebody who can show you the guiding light and somebody who can show you positivity. अभी तो मार्केट्स ऊपर है, ऊपर की मार्केट्स को एंजॉय करिए. थोड़ा एक्सपोजर कम रखिए, थोड़ा FNO कम करिए, थोड़ा लिक्विड कैश हाथ में रखिए. मिनिमम 25 to 30% of your capital should be kept free right now. I know that there will be FOMO effect. You don't want to miss out on opportunities, but right now missing out opportunities will be worth it. Okay, chalo, bye bye. God bless all of you. Stay bullish guys. Cheers.